Hi guys, today I'm going to teach you how to play YouTube music on the background in Android devices. You can even play this on the lock screen. You can lock your screen and you can play the music. Um, you don't have to purchase any application, or you don't have to do a package with YouTube for YouTube music. Only what you have to do is to download Google Chrome. If you don't have it, you will only open it normally, and there is an option for desktop side. You press on it and go to YouTube. Okay, so choose any video. Let's see this one. It's playing now. I drive fast, radio blast. Scroll down and then play. Got a burning desire. Got a burning desire. I've got a burning desire for you, baby. Just try now, and I hope you guys enjoy the music you play. Thanks so much, and subscribe please.